just looking for a quick fix, because honestly it's very good by itself. Right, so now we're going to get on to the garnish. You need to saute your onions till they're nice and brown. I always add a little bit of salt, just a pinch, to draw out the moisture and to draw out the flavor as well. And in the same pan, so you don't really lose the wonderful flavor of the onions, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. This is around 400 ml. So all our soup mixes use the same proportions, which is 1 sachet of a soup mix and 2 cups of water. So give that a good mix so that it's evenly dispersed. And then I'm just going to turn it on and allow it to thicken. This should take around 2 minutes at most. Yeah, so the soup is ready. So I've got this lovely brown soup.